Hello, welcome to Asperios, an AI-powered decision support tool. I'm going to type in show IBM stock price and top 7 events for the last 5 years. So I type it in. Essentially, what I'm looking for is the stock's 5-year history, and I want the tool to highlight the top 7 events in the last 5 years. The chart shows the price, the 21-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, events that shape things over the midterm, events that shape things over the longer term. And so if I go into this chart and I click on the first event, it says that IBM beat analyst expectations on all front. Stock was initially going, the price was initially going down, and then once that event happens, then the stock price keeps going up. But IBM does issue some weak guidance. Um, so I close that and I go to the next event, and it basically says that the US economic outlook or forecast was looking bad at this point in time. Um, and if I go to the next event, which is very close to it, it's still related to the same US economic outlook forecast worsening, which causes IPM stock price to go down steeply. Um, then there's another event that happens, and so I click on that event, which actually states that IBM announced the acquisition of Red Hat for the sum of $34 billion. So there was a comment that was made that acquisition strengthens IBM infrastructure and cloud positioning. And this event essentially changes the trend. The stock price starts going up, but it doesn't go up until the point it gets past the 21-day moving average or the 50-day moving average. I ignore this and I go to this particular event and look at what's going on. So there was a significant upward trend in price. Looks like two key things happened. IBM had revenue growth. In addition, Arvind Krishna was appointed as the new CEO of IBM. So I can close that. And the other thing is, if I wanted to see um, what anything about the Red Hat acquisition, I could have clicked on this source article, which would have pulled out the announcement saying that IBM is going to acquire Red Hat. So going back to Asperios, what I could do is go to the next event, and at this event, coronavirus pushes markets down. So this is having a significant impact on IBM stock price. The price starts plummeting despite the positive news that it had revenue year-over-year revenue growth and having a new CEO in place. Then what happens is that just go and click on this event. Essentially, the markets bounce back. So as the markets bounce back, so does IBM stock price, and the stock price starts to recover. So as you can see, within a couple of minutes, you can use this tool to kind of get a good understanding of what happens over, let's say, a 5-year period or a 10-year period, and understand what is and get a good high-level picture of the company. So what did Asperios AI do? It analyzed the stock price. It also analyzed news and other text, integrated it to identify the top 7 events that affect the medium term and the long term. In the future, we can do more complex things. We see the opportunity to use this technology in a number of other areas. Feel free to contact us or check out our other videos. Thank you and have a great day.